Are you looking for a 4-bedroom house in the center of Pembroke Pines? I got the perfect home to show you. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, welcome to my newest listing in the heart of Pembroke Pines. This amazing opportunity is just $725,000 with an affordable HOA of $260 semi-annually. That's about $43 a month. My name is Michael Valencia. I'm one of Florida's top realtors with LaMacchia Realty, and this is living in South Florida. Come on in. Before we go inside, I almost forgot to ask, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might be interested. Let's go check it out. Hey guys, welcome to my newest listing in Pembroke Pines. This house was built in 1989 and it has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 2,100 square feet of living space. Not a fan of open concept, the split floor plan offers space and privacy, making it the perfect home for a big family. Let's go check out the backyard. I can't wait to show it to you. Hey guys, check this out. What an amazing view of the lake right here. Guys, check out this amazing renovated kitchen. White shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and an amazing view of this lake. So right off the kitchen, you have the perfect family room where you can sit, unwind, watch your favorite movie, or enjoy wine with breathtaking views of the lake. All 4 bedrooms are upstairs. Let's go check it out. Upstairs, you'll find all 4 rooms, big enough for the whole family, including a home office if you need it. There's only one room that faces the front of the house, and it's protected by hurricane impact glass, big enough to fit a full-size bed, a desk, and additional furniture. A nice view of the lake can be enjoyed by the additional 3 bedrooms, including the primary suite that is big enough for a king-size bed with an amazing walk-in closet. A primary bath that feels like you're in a spa, featuring a nice soaking tub and a glass walk-in shower. Lakeside is located in Pembroke Pines, just 1.5 miles away from Pine City Center, less than a 10-minute drive to Pembroke Lakes Mall, Memorial West, and C.B. Smith Park. This is an ideal location that you won't want to miss. Come and see for yourself. If you enjoyed this tour, please let us know by tapping the like button below. Share this video with anyone you think will love this house. And if you have any questions about the South Florida market, all of my information is in the description below. I'll see you at the next one.